Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. Let's do another knot for you. This is the Limelight knot. This is my left side, it's at the belt line. It's gonna come down to that area as usual. One tie this time. We're gonna come in, we're gonna fold it in half. We're just gonna bring it over to the center. Come around like this. Come across the bottom of this area like that. And then come across like this. So this is what we have. So then what I'm now going to do is I'm going to go around like this and like this here. I'm going to come across like this. I'm going to put a fold in like that. I'm going to put my collar down, and there is the Limelight knot. So again, on your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video.